Yes, what's up? Happy New Year, by the way, and belated happy birthday. I know I've already greeted you before, but I just decided to make another video of myself, personally greeting you a happy birthday. Now, what's been going on in my life? Nothing really. It's just the holidays, so everything's just mellowed out. And yeah, I really want to know what's up with you. And yeah, I hope you guys, well, you are all right. And as you can see, I've gone chubby. Nigga, I'm getting fat. But yeah, oh well, shit happens, right? And yeah, nagpicture-picture unta ako ganina. Yeah, naghunahon ako nga, why not make a video? So this is the result, obviously. And yeah, Monisha. Okay. I love you, Chris, and I hope I would hear back from you thing. Yeah. Anyway, love you. Bye.